Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends, we are going to read another power reader this week. And look at the picture. What do you see? I see a little toddler, and a nickname for a toddler would be Tot. So here we go. The Tot by Susan M. Ebers. Okay. We have vocabulary and phrases today. So Mrs. Hensley is going to use this. Okay, here we go. It says read and repeat vocabulary. Okay, remember, if you need to tap out the sounds, you may do so. Okay, and if it starts with an uppercase letter, chances are it is a name. So here we go. Dot. Ooh, you just listened to a song with the ot word family, didn't you? Oh, you might recognize some of these ot words in here. Okay, here we go. Mom, cat, an, mop, mop, hop, lot. Ooh, that looks kind of like the lot, but it starts with a not. That's one of our ot word families. Tot, nap, mat, and I know that word. That's a sight word. Can. Okay, here we go. These are just phrases, so they are not sentences. Okay, here we go. I'm using my arrow now. On the cot. In the cot. Can nap. Can hop. Can mop. Can not hop. Ooh, dot is a tot. Dot. Ooh, I noticed that dot and dot are the same. That's how I knew this word right here. Dot is not big. Nap in a cot. Hop on a mat. Okay, here we go. We're going to start reading the story. This is the title of the story, The Tot. Okay. You're going to follow along with Mrs. Hensley as she reads, and then when I am finished, I will tell you what you will need to do. Okay? Let's go. Are we ready? Dot. Dot is not big. Oop, there's that word again. The same word as this one. Dot is a tot. Oh, so this right here must be Dot. That is her name, and she is a tot. Here we go. Oh, there's her name again. Dot is on a cot. The tot can nap on the cot. Okay, so she is napping on a cot. I know that word. I know how to spell that word. That is mom. So if this is mom, this must be mom here. Here I go. Mom is not a tot. Mom can hop on a mat. There's mom again. Mom can mop. Oh, do you see mom mopping right there? Those pictures will help you. She is mopping, so mom can mop. Okay, here we go. Oh, let's look at this picture. Let's see. Oh, what was that word again? It's a name. Dot cannot hop. Dot cannot mop. Dot can nap. A tot can nap a lot. So Dot is napping. And you know what? Tots can nap a lot, can't they, little toddlers? Okay, here are, I want to go over this with you. And we are not going to do this today, but we will do it one day this week. Okay, it says read and look back. Dot is a tot. And then you would get these X's here and put yes, Dot is a tot, or no, Dot is not a tot. Okay, let Mrs. Sinsley fix that right here. Oh, Mrs. Sinsley, here's a dog barking. Hold on just a minute. Mackenzie is wanting outside. Sorry, friends. Mrs. Sinsley is back. Okay, the next one says, Mom is a tot. So you would grab this X right here and put yes, Mom is a tot, or no, Mom is not a tot. Okay, the next one is Mom can hop. Yes, yes, or no. Dot can hop. Yes or no. Mom and Dot nap on a cot. Okay, yes or no. You do not need to answer those today. Mrs. Hensley will assign that another day when you've read the story a little bit more. Okay, now let's look at rhyme time. What I want you to do is I want you to circle all the rhyming words. Okay, so I just want you to listen to the words right now, and this will be an assignment that you will do another day this week. I will ask you to complete your rhyme time. Right now, all I want you to do is listen, okay? Ought, hot. Ought, cot. Dog, dog. Ought, not. Ought, lot. Op, hop. Ought, got. Op, mop. Okay, I just want you to listen. We will do that another day, okay? Okay, questions for discussion. The tot. You are just going to be thinking about this. Again, you're not answering these questions. I'm just going to read them to you so you know what they are. You will do these another day, okay? Number 1, what is a tot? Number 2, what is the tot doing while Mom is busy? Number 3, what is Mom doing while Dot is napping? Number 4, do adults ever need to sleep a lot? Why? Number 5, what else does a baby do besides sleep? Okay, now we're going to read our heart words. Okay, and these are a little bit different this time. Mrs. Hensley added them to hearts. Okay, so here we go. We're going, uh-oh, Mrs. Hensley did that. And now it moved one of my words. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to just put a dot under them. Here we go. A, the, or the, and, is, to. Now, you are going to go back and read the story for Mrs. Hensley. After you have read the story, this right here will be your assignment after reading the story today. Okay, so you will come in and read the heart words just like Mrs. Hensley did. A, the, and, is, to. Okay, then you're going to read all 7 of these phrases. They are not sentences because they do not make sense. They are parts of sentences. Okay, so number 1, I'm going to read them to you right now, but then you're going to read them to Mrs. Hensley after you work on reading the story. A cat and a dog. Number 2, is not hot. Number 3, is not on the cat. Number 4, can nap a lot. Number 5, to the top. Number 6, has to dig and dig. Those words are the same. Number 7, had to hop to the mat. Okay, so what I want you to do, you will start right here with the taught, and then you will read the read and repeat vocabulary, and you will read these words, and you will read these phrases. Okay, then you will, Mrs. Hensley, then you will read the title again, the taught. Then you will go to this page, and once again, if you need to tap out the words, you may do so. And here, you will read these 2 pages. Here, you will read these 2 pages. Here, you will read rhyme time and just read the words, okay? You're not going to do anything with the words. You're just reading them. Then go here and read the heart words like Mrs. Hensley did, okay? All of these heart words. And then read all of these, okay? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. And when you are finished there, you will click the green add response. No, you won't click the green add response button. You will click the check mark button to submit your work. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. I love you, friends, and I miss you. Bye-bye.